Hi everyone, I'm Rachel and today I'm going to be showing you how to get a natural makeup look using PerriconeMD's No Makeup range. The first product that we're going to use is the Instant Blur Primer. This is going to give us a lovely base to set our foundation on, and it'll also help to minimise pores, fine lines and any redness. So we're going to take a little bit of the primer onto the puff that comes in the product, and we're just going to concentrate this on areas of the T-zone where we might be prone to getting a little bit more oily throughout the day. I'm just going to go over your eyelids. The next product that we're going to go in with is the No Makeup Foundation Serum. This has SPF 20 to help protect your skin throughout the day, and it also has ingredients in there that act as a hybrid between skincare and makeup, so it actually helps to improve your skin as you wear it. So we're going to apply this serum with our fingers because it really helps to work it into the skin and gives us that lovely finish. You can use a duo fibre brush if you have one of these handy, where you can just buff the foundation into your skin. So if you have any areas where you'd like to do a little bit of spot concealing, you can take a fluffy brush with a little bit of your foundation and just work that onto your skin to layer on top. This is a buildable foundation, so you can build on top of it and still get a lovely, nice, natural coverage. So for today, because we're going for a beautifully natural, no makeup finish, we're going to keep it really nice and subtle. But as you can see, this has just really evened out the skin tone beautifully and gives a gorgeous finish. Our next product is the blush. This is a really nice blendable formula which has a really beautiful sheer finish to give you that natural, gorgeously flushed glow. This blush contains vitamin C ester, which helps to improve dullness and discoloration. So again, I'm just using my fingertips to just place this onto Susa's cheekbones. And we're just using a patting motion to set this in place. And as you can see, it just gives this beautiful flush of colour that looks so natural. Next, we're using the No Makeup Highlighter, which is going to give a beautiful dewy glow to our cheekbones and the high points of our face. So we're just using this for the high points of the cheekbone. And we're just using that same patting motion just to gently blend that in. Our next product is the liquid eyeshadows. These are a long wear formula and they are also infused with kind to skin ingredients to help support healthy aging and also brighten the skin. So today we're actually going to be using 3 of the new shades in the collection, which are shades 1, 3 and 4. So first we're going to be using shade 1 to give us a really nice base across the eye, and then we'll go in with shade 3 to add a little bit more definition to the lid, and then we will finish with shade 4, which is going to add a little bit more definition to the crease but also look totally natural. So we're just going to softly buff the first shade all over the lid with a fluffy blending brush, and we're going to use the same brush for the entire eye look. So we're bringing this right up to the brow bone and just diffusing. If you want to get a little bit more coverage, just add a tiny bit more eyeshadow and buff away. Next we're going in with shade 3 onto the same fluffy blending brush and concentrating that on the lower lid. And just bringing that across to the centre, just to add a little bit more depth. And then shade 4 we're just going to use on the outer corner, and we're just going to pat that on first and then use a gentle buffing motion to blend that in. Next, we're going in with the No Makeup Mascara. This is enriched with vitamin E to help condition and strengthen your lashes as you wear it. So we're just starting from the very root of the lash and just slightly wiggling and pulling up to get that beautiful coverage. This mascara helps to lift and thicken your lashes whilst adding a little bit of drama, but still looking beautifully natural. So to complete our makeup look, we're going to go in with the No Makeup lipstick. This is a beautiful sheer formula. It has a subtle hint of colour to just give you that lovely, fresh look. You can use the formula straight from the bullet if you wish to do so, but today we're choosing to use a brush just so we can get into the corner of the lips. The formula contains a mineral sunscreen of 15, and it also contains skin kind ingredients which help to give your lips a lovely smooth look. So this is our beautiful finished look, which is absolutely perfect for daytime or if you just want to wear a more natural makeup look. If you would like to try something from the perriconemd No Makeup range, we do have 20% off the range for a limited time in March.